Welcome to Brain Boogers, where we pick and dig in to get an understanding of what drives you and others, even when life gets complicated. I'm MJ, and today's Quick Picks episode is all about the SCARF model, a powerful tool for understanding the social needs that shape our reactions, decisions, and relationships. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, please click subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And if you know someone navigating tricky work or family situations, share this episode with them. We're all in this together. And by the way, the content shared on this podcast is intended for informational and educational purposes only, to spark conversation and self-discovery. This podcast does not offer medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you're experiencing mental health issues or have questions about your well-being, please reach out to a qualified healthcare provider or mental health professional. All right, let's dig in. The SCARF model was developed by Dr. David Rock in 2008, drawing from neuroscience research to explain the 5 key social needs that drive human behavior, at work, at home, and everywhere in between. SCARF stands for status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. When these needs are met, we feel safe, motivated, and open to growth. When they're threatened, we can become defensive, anxious, or withdrawn. Understanding your own SCARF triggers and recognizing them in others can help you communicate better, reduce conflict, and create more supportive environments. So let's provide some definitions. Status is our sense of importance or standing relative to others. We all want to feel valued and respected. Certainty is our need for clarity and predictability. Uncertainty can trigger stress, while clear expectations help us feel secure. Autonomy is our desire to have control over our choices and actions. Autonomy fuels motivation and engagement. Relatedness is our need to belong and connect with others. Feeling included and understood is vital for well-being. And fairness is our sense that rules, rewards, and relationships are just and equitable. Perceived unfairness can quickly erode trust. So let's look at how all these terms fit together. Think of SCARF as a dashboard for your social brain. When your status is affirmed, you feel confident. When you know what to expect, certainty, you relax. When you have options, autonomy, you engage. When you feel connected, relatedness, you thrive. And when things feel fair, you trust. But when any of these are threatened, like being left out of a meeting, status, getting vague instructions, certainty, being micromanaged, autonomy, feeling excluded, relatedness, or seeing favoritism, fairness, your brain can slip into defense mode. Recognizing which SCARF need is activated helps you respond thoughtfully, not just react. Here are some common ways to use SCARF in action. 1. Self-check. When you're upset, ask, which SCARF needs feels threatened right now? Is it my status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, or fairness? 2. Growth reframe. Instead of seeing your reaction as a flaw, see it as information. For example, if you're frustrated by a lack of control, that's your autonomy need asking for attention. 3. Take practical steps with each social need. For example, for status, celebrate your achievements and affirm others. For certainty, seek clarity, ask questions, set routines, or break tasks into steps. For autonomy, identify where you can make choices, even small ones. For relatedness, connect with someone you trust or invite others in. And for fairness, advocate for transparency and equity And notice when you can offer fairness to others. And 4. Communication. Use the SCARF language to express needs. I'm feeling uncertain about this project. Can we clarify the next steps? Or, I'd like more autonomy in how I approach this task. Now, here's how we can use SCARF for growth instead of manipulation. SCARF isn't just a way to hack others' behavior. It's a tool for self-awareness and authentic connection. When you notice a SCARF need in yourself, treat it with curiosity and compassion, not shame. When you notice it in others, respond with empathy instead of trying to control. This builds trust, resilience, and a growth mindset, helping you break free from fixed patterns and respond to challenges with flexibility. Remember, everyone has SCARF needs, including you. The more you notice and honor them, the more you can grow, connect, and thrive in every area of life. So, which SCARF need is asking for your attention today? How can you use this awareness to support your own growth and the growth of those around you? Thanks for tuning in for this quick picks on SCARF. If this episode resonated with you, share it with a friend or leave a review. It helps more people find us and join the conversation. Join me next time where we'll pick and dig in on brain boogers.